Fins up, friends. Today I want to show you what a St. Barts floor plan looks like. I nor my brokerage are affiliated with Latitude Margaritaville, LMWS, or Minto Communities. This is Heather, helping you find your best beach life. Let's check out this floor plan. All right, let's go in. Welcome in to St. Barts. You've got this beautiful entryway foyer, which also has the shelf and the transoms. Beautiful. And just off the foyer of this plan, you have 2 bedrooms. You've got a nice large bedroom here with a very large closet. How fantastic is that? Then you have a bathroom here in the middle, but again, another bedroom here. So the bathroom, nice, perfect guest space. You can choose to have this put in as a cabinet. You can also choose to have the tile go all the way to the top. And of course, you can choose your style of cabinetry and countertops. Let's keep looking. So from the entryway, you see this beautiful, expansive living, kitchen, and dining. Right here, there aren't any lights in this one, but you've got your den space. And as you can see here, they put glass doors on this. You also have an option of solid doors or no doors. This model, you've got the double sliders here. Nice and open. Let's go check out the kitchen. So this island is extended. That is an option. Also, you can see they did include a backsplash, but this kitchen is nice and large. There's so much space here. They chose for the option with the hood. And you've got this nice large dining space overlooking the pretty preserve. Look, you have so much kitchen space. All right, let's check out the laundry. Very expansive. You can choose to put in a sink or cabinetry, whatever works for you. We'll go check out the garage in just a second. Heading into the main ensuite, you've got this nice little corridor here. First up is the bathroom. You can choose to have the tub. You've got your dual sinks. And then your shower is right over here. Again, you can choose to put the tile at the top. And you can choose where you have a cabinet, wood cabinet instead of a regular linen closet. You've got dual closets here, whichever one you'd like to choose. And here's the main ensuite. You've got that tray ceiling. You can choose to add your fan. In this one, you can see that they added the bed lights, and there's so much light coming in. It's beautiful. Nice, large garage. You can choose to have epoxy put on there. And as you know, your rear view will be dependent on what view you choose and whether you put in a pool or screen your porches and all of that. You've got some of those options available to you. So that is a walkthrough of a St. Barts floor plan. If you have any questions, please just contact me here. I just wanted to give you this walkthrough of this awesome model. All right, that's it for now. I'll talk to you later. Bye.